Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing well. So first of all, happy winter vacations. But we have to do the winter task in the winter vacations. So I'll explain what we have to do in the English winter task. So there are four tasks in class 4's English task, and we'll completely solve all these tasks in this video. So let's move to the task 1. So here is your task 1. Write and learn the meaning of the following words. Write one sentence using each word. So you have to write the meaning and the sentence of these words. So number 1 is admonished, number 2 vaguely, number 3 Leo, number 4 chamber, number 5 snored, number 6 gleaming, number 7 tiresome, number 8 scare, number 9 timid, number 10 dozed. So now let's do the meaning and sentences of each word. So first of all is admonished. What is the meaning of admonished? To warn someone firmly. So let's move to the sentence. The coach admonished the player for being late to practice. कोच ने प्लेयर को प्रैक्टिस के लिए लेट आने पर वार्न किया. नेक्स्ट वेगली. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ वेगली? अनक्लियरली, जो चीज़ क्लियर नहीं है. सेंटेंस A face of vaguely familiar appeared in the crowd. So now number 3, Leo. Meaning to tempt a person. किसी इंसान को किसी काम के लिए tempt करने के कहते हैं Leo. Sentence The promise of a promotion was used to lure her away from her current job. Number 4, chamber. Meaning a large room used for formal or public meetings. Sentence The king held court in the main chamber of the castle. Number 5, snored. Meaning made a rough, harsh sound while sleeping. Sentence The dog snored loudly on its bed after a long walk. 6, gleaming. Meaning shining brightly. Sentence The new car was gleaming in the sunlight. Number 7, tiresome. Meaning boring. Sentence The long wait was very tiresome. Number 8, scare. Meaning a public open space in a city or a town. Okay, so there is one more scare. What is that square? This shape. This is also called a scare. But in this video, we are specifically talking about an open space in a city or town. Okay, so what is the sentence of the square? The children played in the town square. Number 9, timid. Timid means shy. The timid child hid behind their parent when meeting new people. Number 10, dozed. Dozed means slept. Sentence The old man dozed in his chair by the fire. So student, this was the task number 1, and now we have to do the task number 2. So what is task 2? Write about a surprising event that happened to you at school. Write 6 to 8 sentences using at least 5 filling words such as excited, worried, proud, nervous, cheerful. So you have to write a surprising event which was in your school. You have to make at least 6 and maximum 8 sentences, and you have to use these 5 words in the paragraph. So now let's do the paragraph. The day of the annual sports meet started like any other, but it quickly became one of the most memorable. A student was feeling incredibly nervous about running a 100-meter dash, a race never won before. So students, you have to make paragraph like this. So this is the paragraph number 1, and now this is paragraph 2. When the starting pistol fired, the student ran faster than ever, feeling a mix of excitement and sheer determination. Next paragraph. Crossing the finish line first was a shock to everyone, including the student. The crowd cheered loudly, and the student felt immensely proud and cheerful, though slightly worried about the upcoming final race. It was a moment of pure unexpected triumph. So, student, this was all about the surprising event at a school, that there was an event about a race in your school, and there was a 100-meter dash, and it was a race which was never won before, so everyone was having a mixed feeling of excitement and determination. So what happened then? The crowd was cheering loudly for the students who were going to play in the race. So then the race happened, and then finally the result came. So this was all about the surprising event at the school. So now we have the task 3. So what is task 3? Write an adventure story titled The Lost Key in the Forest. In 100 to 150 words, ensure it includes a moral lesson. So students, you have to write a story, and the title of the story is The Lost Key in the Forest, and in the last you have to write a moral lesson. So now let's start the story. The Lost Key in the Forest. The old map led Leo deeply into the whispering forest, where the trees seemed to watch with ancient eyes. He was on a quest for the legendary sunken city, a place said to hold untold treasures accessible only with a specific ornate key. The key, however, had slipped from his grasp near a bubbling brook, where Leo searched frantically among the mossy rocks. He was about to give up when a tiny timid squirrel chattered from a nearby branch, dropping the gleaming silver key into his waiting hand. Excited, Leo thanked the creature and rushed towards the coordinates on the map. He found the entrance, inserted the key, and stone door groaned open, revealing a dark, mysterious chamber. Moral: help can come from the most unexpected places. So, what is this story about? This story is about Leo the dog. So, he lost his key, and somehow a squirrel came and gave him the key. So, the moral is कि आपको मदद कभी भी कहीं से भी मिल सकती है, वो भी उन जगहों से जहाँ पर आपने एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं किया होता. So now we have the last task, the task number 4. Write 5 pronouns and use each in a sentence. So first of all, let me tell you what are pronouns. Pronouns are the words which are used in place of a noun. So here we have the 5 examples and sentences of those examples. Number 1, she. She went to the market to buy groceries. Number 2, they. They are playing football in the park. 3, it. The dog wagged its tail happily. Number 4, we are going on a vacation next week. 5, he is a very talented musician. So student, this was your all task for the winter vacations of the subject English. I hope you understood the task. Do your task carefully and in read writing and follow the Nelson font. Thank you so much. Enjoy your winter vacations. Allah Hafiz.